So welcome back, everyone. We're going to make a simple cornbread bread today, and pretty simple. 2 ingredients: self-rising cornmeal and water. This is the way my mom taught me to make it. I think her mom taught her how to make it that way. Really simple. You can add things to it if you want to, like an egg to make it stick together better. You can add some honey to make it a little sweeter, but lots of variations, but this is the basic recipe. Unfortunately, I don't have amounts or anything. It's all just by look, and so I'll show you what this looks like as I make it. I was trying to get yellow cornmeal, self-rising cornmeal, but all the store had was white self-rising cornmeal. Just like the color of the yellow better. No difference, I don't think, in taste. But we'll make this and get this open and go from there. So I just pour the mixture into a bowl, or the meal into a bowl, until it looks about right. Show you what that looks like. There's the amount of meal that we have in there. And now I'll just add some water to this. And it's kind of a wet mixture. So doing it this way, if you get it too wet, all you gotta do is add in some more meal. Just a little bit more water. And that's it. This is my cornbread baking iron skillet. That's what I cook my cornbread in all the time, bake it in. I've been using this one for about 20 years. My mom gave me this. I know it's not one of the antique ones like a Griswold, but the only thing I use it for is cornbread. So you can see the marks in there where I've actually cut the cornbread. You never wash it. Most you do is take a paper towel or a rag and wipe it out once you're done, and then oil it back up, and that's it. So now all we do is just pour it into the skillet. Let's make sure that those sides are good and oiled up. It's just a matter of pouring it in. I've got my oven set on 350, but my mom, when she makes it, she only knows one setting, and that's high. So I'm not sure that the temperature is as critical as watching it to make sure when it gets brown. So I'm going to stick this in the oven. I've got it at 350, and then we'll let it bake. Okay, this is what it looks like when it first comes out of the oven. We're going to let it cool down a little bit and then cut it into slices and put it on a plate. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Enjoy the cornbread.